Welcome back to the vlog. What is up, guys? I know it's been a while, and
she got lazy. She's stressed out already.
no, I got lazy to do
It was her birthday, guys. Wish her a happy birthday down in the comments. If you don't, I will look for you and I will kill you. Just kidding.
So
Natty found in her bathroom in the school. She found a butt cheek with the sticky.
I was at Louis. So my little sister, she was telling us a story. Wait, this isn't even part of like the vlog. So here's what's been going on. I guess I owe you guys a weekly update. Last week,
update.
oh, 2 weeks. Yeah, last week,
3 weeks actually.
I think it is 3 weeks. If I don't post this week, 2 week update. All right. Let's see. The end of February, it was just kind of like a crazy week for me because, it was just crazy. Last week it was my birthday, so you know that was cool. That was cool. I didn't really do it. I didn't do anything for my birthday because, you know, broke bitch bones. So we're gonna go home and oh, we're gonna go to the store. Oh, okay, we're going to the store right now, and then after that we're gonna go home. A couple of days ago, I bought this like little box that is apparently you make the food with water and
Poppin' cooking.
It's called poppin' cooking. You make the food with water and
candy.
Powder. It's basically candy. It just molds. You know,
If you watch Shane Dawson, you will know.
If you watch anybody, you would know.
Mostly Shane Dawson.
So I'm gonna do those because those are pretty cool. We did it once. We did it. So I kind of fell asleep, and then I just didn't do this. We'll see if Claudia wants to do it. Claudia, are you still alive? God damn, you're lotioning yourself up. Jesus.
What?
Poppin' cooking! Ew. Where are you?
You want me to make it with it?
Yeah.
Okay, hold up. I'm just putting lotion on my legs. I got lazy and didn't do it.
Actually, I gotta put on lotion too. Poppin' cooking! Did I even So, I bought this at a Japanese store.
Daiso.
Daiso.
Daiso?
Daiso. D-I-A-S-O.
You got more. Save it for tomorrow, though. In the morning.
If this video's too short. Yeah. So, apparently it's all candy, but it's like different foods. So this
different type of candy flavored.
This is a spring roll, this is a dumpling, this is a mango pudding, and this is ramen noodles.
I made this with our younger sister before.
They got separate, they got another pack, and then they
got one of these and a different one.
They made it themselves, and
and then this is where inside you put it. You go like this. You're like, this is how it's supposed to look like, and this is how it looks like.
Oh, that's pretty cool. I just messed up the whole box.
Just tell me the box though. Oh, I have tape.
Alright, let's make this. Yeah, let's take this out.
No, you want to cut it like this.
No, I want
to open it. It's so much easier.
I want to open it.
Because you need the paper, so don't rip it.
That's how you open. Oh, shit. What the hell? Okay.
Oh, let me go look through this.
You guys better promote us. Poppin' cooking. First one.
Okay, right here's just a cut.
Oh. That's the first step. I think this is backwards. That's the first step. I don't know which way I'm doing this.
Oh well.
That's the first step. Okay, so to cut each one to different pieces. So
just cut right here.
Oh yeah, you've done this one. Okay. Step 1, check. Step 2, this. Add water to the cup until it is half full. How do we know when it's half full? What if it's half empty? You gotta laugh, bro.
Okay, you just pour it in and mix it.
And for 10 minutes?
Okay.
We mix it for 10 minutes?
Mhm.
What the hell? Can you close that water, please? That's concerning. Okay, let's mix it. All of it?
Uh-huh.
Oh my god, that is too much sugar.
No, is it? Oh, yeah, of course it's a yeah, I thought you meant powder. No, with the fork.
Oh, shoot.
That's for something else.
Oh my god. So with the fork sticks in?
Mm-hmm. Do you see the fork sticking the other way around?
I don't know. I don't know how, like, I don't know how,
I'll make the setup somewhere else, like, different, away from the camera.
Mix it for 10 minutes?
No! Mix it well and then leave it for 10 minutes.
I was like, mix it for 10 minutes? These people are wild. They want me to mix something for 10 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
I think it's at the right substance.
Okay, ready?
10 minutes starting now.
Put this aside.
Okay, what's next? The ramen.
Make ramen topping.
This one?
Yeah, pour water up to lamp. And the starch, maybe. Is that a star?
It's a star. It's a star.
The back.
There's a star. Either way, it shows through. Up to the line.
Mm-hmm. Mas. There you go.
Yeah. Perfect.
Now pour it in the blue packet.
Pour in the blue packet.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, do you wash your hands?
Yes. Jesus, Claudia, what kind of chef would I be if I don't wash my hands?
Practically.
Oh my god, all of it?
Mm-hmm.
Jesus Christ, these people like overdo it.
Todo día.
And then we mix it. Tear off 2 pieces of the dough.
No, wait, yeah, mix it until it's like really doughy.
How does it smell? Ooh, it smells all sugary. Smell it, guys.
Yeah, how it down.
Dude, I can't wait for people to start inventing things like that. Like you can actually smell the things on TV.
I can't wait until they make an actual mini food recipe that actually tastes good. Okay, I'll say number 3.
Oh my god.
Oh, I can't do number 3 without that. So I'm gonna skip to make the ramen.
What?
I need that tray.
This?
Yeah.
You can't do anything. You dumbass. Oh my god, it's just... Okay, tear off 2 pieces of the dough and make a natural egg.
Okay, so the egg? No, just like 2 tiny pieces. You literally only need 2 tiny little.
Oh, tiny pieces? Mm-hmm. I thought big pieces.
And then you put them in here and mold them in. Probably cut it in half and that's gonna be fine for both. Excuse me.
Cut it in half.
No, with your hands. Those scissors are not set.
Okay.
Man, that was a good
There's one right there.
thing.
And then there's one right. They're molded.
You have good things.
Divide the remaining dough in quarters and spread one dough. Oh, shoot. Spread one dough evenly to match shape and size of the packing pouch guide. Place the dough on the goes out mold. I don't even know what that says. Place the dough on the mold and press on the hollow space. How do we? Where is that? That right here? So I gotta cut it into 4 evenly parts.
Yeah. Okay. Just cut it in half first. Oh my god.
I'm just kidding.
Okay. So, I cut it in half again. Half in the mold. Okay. So 2 of them is gonna go right here. You have to make them right here. And the other 2, you have to mold into this circle. That's why I say you need to cut it up all the way.
Then these 2 together make a circle?
Yeah, right here.
So I make a circle on here?
Uh-huh.
For each one or together?
Each one. So they each get something.
How is this even sanitary?
It is.
Okay. According to you. There you go.
Oh my goodness, I was stretching and I crossed my back. I looked at myself like, what? How do you look at yourself in the whole mirror?
You saw Ailina Cerrato, bro. That girl was stretching and she was bending ways that she wasn't even supposed to bend. Like, ew. Did you put all the cereal back in the bowl? I really think you did. Oh my god, my circle brown.
I got more.
Alright, so there's my molds. Now I gotta take that out. That looks disgusting.
That's not how you make it.
How do you make it? Does it have to go in the microwave?
Put it all in, and then you put the little things inside, and you squeeze it in. You
Wait,
have one
what?
whole circle.
How do you do it?
Mold the crap.
Alright, you can do this part. Claudia, take over.
My name is Jeff and I'm taking over.
Okay, I'm gonna mold this back. I'm supposed to. You could just open it. Okay, we can't waste them all because we also need some for my ramen soup. I mean, our ramen soup. Okay, and then you grab them. And then you
Do you even have it in the camera view? You didn't even have it in the camera view.
What?
I hate you for that.
I got this. I got some of your little.
Why did they call it a spring roll if we're doing this in...
Well, you have to roll it out, but I
Winter.
can't really do this.
Why'd you laugh like
Because
that?
I just got it.
Shouldn't it be called a seasonal roll? I'm a little dumb. Oh, shoot. You know what? I'm not the best at cooking, so...
Oh, yeah. It's the goiza. Definitely.
Goiza?
Gyoza. Gyoza.
I don't know how to make it, so...
It's like just how I taught you.
Yeah, I don't know how that was. I'm just gonna make an empanada.
Pretty much.
And that's how you
Get the
make an
fork and make the marks.
empanada. I don't got a fork, so I'm just gonna use these ridges. Ew, you're nasty. Okay, that's that. So, now... Here go. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, take this out! It got on our molds! Wow, mira.
Okay, now you want to cut it up. How was it set up in the box?
Mira,
How
wow.
does it look in the box?
Now we're making the ramen. Water to the line. Perfect. Now we have the yellow. No, the brown. Because it's the soup powder. So. You guys just saw all that powder.
Yes.
Where's the star? Where's the star tray? Oh, right here.
Oh,
Little
God.
star. We have to pour hot water to the line and mix the yellow packet.
So then it fits perfectly into the box.
Okay, so this is the yellow packet now. So that goes in here.
I'm really hoping. I'm gonna pour that in there. First, we're gonna fill up by decorating the eggs.
What do we do?
Okay, so first we gotta decorate these eggs. So like fill in the yolk.
Hey, come in.
You have to twist the bag. Don't waste it.
There you go, good enough.
Okay. Now I'm just gonna squeeze a whole bunch of like noodles in there.
You want to squeeze some in?
Of course I would.
My dude, don't put your fat ass hand. Good enough for me.
For the back end too. So,
What are you doing?
you're supposed to do this.
And then do I mix it or what?
Yeah.
Okay.
You don't want to hold my...
Gotta make it look all fancy and she.
Should I do it okay?
Oh, okay. That didn't work out. Okay. I don't know how I'm gonna take this out. Alright. This is how it's supposed to look. Wait, let's clean up a bit. Let's clean up.
Clean up, I guess.
We need this part. We need this.
Oh, we need for you right here. Alright, this is how it's supposed to look like, right? Like that. This is how it looks like. It actually doesn't look that nasty. I mean, like, the spring rolls and then the dumplings don't look as bad as they should. And then the little pudding.
Wait, let me show them how it looks. It became noodles when we put it in this activator. And this is a little tiny egg.
That's not an egg. You mixed the egg. I don't even know where the egg's at.
It's right. Two of them. One's right there. One's right
All
there.
right. Well, you guys get the point. All right, let's try.
Con el teléfono de Yossi. Acción.
I guess first I'm gonna try the dumpling. Actually, I was kind of excited for the spring roll. So let me eat the spring roll first.
When you edit that.
You get one and I get one. Here, come here. Okay. Cheers. Cheers. 1, 2, 3.
Wait, these things are actually good.
It's not that bad.
The little things inside are actually pretty good.
They're like Pop Rocks.
Never mind, they're nasty. Why did I do that? Ahora vamos a tratar los dumplings. Yo voy a tratar de ella y ella va a tratar el mío.
Dumplings?
Si no entiendes, no me importa.
Okay. Are you hungry?
No, that's the noise my body makes when I drink water.
That doesn't
It
seem
goes-
healthy.
it goes,
Okay, this is the one that Claudia made.
This is the one Josefina made.
Don't call me Josefina. You don't have the right.
Wait, it's the same thing as the spring roll. Why are you having you? You didn't even put anything. It's just.
It's the exact same thing as a spring roll. It's just molded differently. Give me a water. This is kind of nasty. I'm just eating it for like.
The views.
I'm really gonna. Hold up. What's up? Ew!
I need the authorities. She's 18. I'm 12.
Look where it fell. Look where it fell.
Wait.
It fell in the noodle.
Oh my god.
It fell in the noodles. We got it. Noodle time.
It smells like Coke or Pepsi or whatever that is.
It smells like soda.
I'm not trying that. That's all I'm saying.
Is it nasty?
Natty liked it. I didn't like it. Eat it. No. Swallow it and then eat your cereal. Cool. I'm definitely not eating it now. Thank you for spitting in it. That's the end of the video, guys. Thank you for coming. Make sure to like and subscribe and turn on the post notification so you can get notified when Yo-Yo uploads a video.
Like she said, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Question of the day. What is your favorite cereal? Or top 5? Or I don't know. Like I was saying earlier, my favorite one's Fruity Pebbles, Honey Bunches of Oats, Kicks, Pops, and Frosted Flakes. So,
Also, coming at you, a giveaway. I'm giving away air if you comment down below 10 million times. Guys, if you comment, every single person who comments 10 million times, down below,
no, that's
free air breathed by me.
Breathed by me. Claire's giving away air.
Okay,
for the first 20 people that
let me explain.
like.
For the first 20 people who comment at least 2 times down below, like the video, follow her on Instagram, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and watch the whole video. Get air breathed by me. I will send you a box.
Breathing by me.
What do you say? Breathed?
I don't think there is a word.
Breathe it. Okay, let's just say breathe it. Okay, breathe it by. We get free air. Breathe it.
I don't think there is a word, is there? If you guys know what we're talking about, breathed, comment down below.
If you can answer the question if there's a breathed, comment down below, and I will also include you in the giveaway. And you get a giveaway. And you get air.
Right.
I will send it to you virtually so you will see it, but you won't feel it.
Peace.
Oh my gosh, you gotta wash your dishes.